Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will help you or I will guide you on how you can unsuspend your account or reinstate your account. Your account may be suspended and you may have a message like, we suspended your account. 178 days left to appeal, or we will permanently disable your account. In some cases, they may say 30 days left. In some cases, they may say 90 days left. But whatever be the case, when you see something like this, you go down, you may see something like your account is not visible to people on Facebook right now and you cannot use it. What you can do, you have 178 days left to appeal our decision. We may need to collect some info from you that will help us review your account again. Why this happened? Your account or activity on it doesn't follow our terms of service. So you may be wondering what probably you did that has caused this problem. So if you want to know more about that, you click on this one. It will take you to, it will ask you to, if you click here, it will take you to the full terms where you can read and know Facebook terms of service. So they are saying that you have violated their terms of service. So what are the terms of service? Basically, it is when you are spamming the system. One of the things is when you are spamming the system. Spamming the system may mean that you already have an account on Facebook and you've created another account. So if you create an existing account, in addition to what you already have, they will see it as spamming the system. If you are commenting too fast or commenting so frequently on, like you comment at this so many times within a short time. So for example, you go on Facebook and you reply to a particular post, you reply to like 20 comments or 10 comments or even 5. The system would identify it as spam. So commenting so many times within a short time, and then having another account or having a fake account is spamming the system. Hate speech, it could be hate speech, you insulting someone or using some hate language against someone on Facebook. So that's also against the terms of service. Posting something that doesn't follow the guidelines or the Facebook community guidelines. So there are several of them, but that could be what you did. So you make sure you take time and follow all the policies. Find out, did you do any of them? Most of the time, the main reason why they suspend people of this nature is using two accounts. Using two accounts. Once you have two accounts, you will normally get this problem. If you know you are not using two accounts and you see this, don't worry. If you don't use two accounts, you didn't also spam the system, or you didn't violate at least you didn't use hate speech on others, definitely your account will be reinstated. So we start the appeal. So say, help us confirm it is you. Then select continue. So they'll ask of your phone number. So you put your phone number there, that one that was connected to the account. Then they will send you a code. Then you put a code. Then you click continue. So they will ask you to upload a photo of yourself. They're saying that upload a photo that clearly shows your face. Make sure the photo is well lit and isn't blurry. Don't include other people in the shot. We'll use this photo to help us check that this account belongs to you. We will delete the photo once we have done this, and it will never appear on your profile. So make sure that the photo you are using is in the aspect ratio should be 4:3. 4:3 means that 4 at the horizontal, the what do you call it? Yeah, the horizontal, and the 3 at the vertical. So that way, it should be like a rectangle. If not, it won't fit very well. So after you have done that, you click on continue. Yeah. So now it says you disagreed with the decision. Check back here for your result. So because we appealed, it means we disagree with the fact that this account should be suspended. So they will give us a feedback, and normally it takes about 48 hours to investigate this. So within 48 hours or less, this account will be reinstated. If you actually didn't violate a policy or any of those I mentioned, don't be afraid. you will get your account reinstated. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Leave your comments in the comment section so that even if you follow the process and you don't get a solution, leave your comments there. I will be able to look at what we can do to further help you get your account reinstated. If you are also into advertising, we are advertising experts. So at ENT Academy, we'll be able to help you advertise, make more sales, get more customers, and all that. So just check the WhatsApp link in the description to WhatsApp us. You can also check our website link to check to go to our website. You can also book a Zoom with us. When you WhatsApp us, you can ask for more information, then we'll book a Zoom and help you out. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.